So you want to start making five figures with lead generation. The harsh reality you might be as a solopreneur, agency owner, or a freelancer. You've got no consistent leads, your cold DMs are always being ignored, you feel burnt out and overwhelmed by the tools and strategies. The harsh reality, this is your life before the system. You're great at what you do, but clients are not coming in. You've tried everything from Upwork to Outreach to DMs, nothing sticks. You're stuck sending 50 messages a day just to get ignored, and your revenue is inconsistent, and you start questioning your skills. You know that lead generation is the answer, but there are too many tools, no clear path, and you're always feeling burnt out. The common mistakes where most people go wrong and you also go wrong. You've got no system or pipeline. Leads are just random. They're not repeatable. Copy paste DMs. You use generic outreach, which kills interest. No targeting. You talk to people that are not even interested in the service. Messy tech stacks. You've got 7 tools doing the job of one, which is causing you chaos. And no follow up. And 80% of deals die due to no second touch. The turning point, the mindset and system shift. You realize that the top closers are not chasing leads, they are attracting them. So you've decided to build a lead generation engine, not rely on luck. You adopt a system that filters, qualifies, and books calls even while you're asleep. And you start thinking like a business and not like a hustler. Here is your decision. If you want to build a 5 figure income with lead generation. And if the answer is no, you stay stuck in your comfort zone. You'll think you'll just figure it out alone. So you keep watching random YouTube videos. You get distracted by new trends every week. Build, stop, restart, and repeat. And you don't take any real action. Which leads to the outcome. You've got no leads, no clients, and no growth. You stay stuck for months and you're still figuring it out while others are scaling. And if your decision was yes, which means you're ready to commit, you want to execute and make this work, you stop jumping between tactics, you choose one path and go all in, you study what actually works, you learn tasks and build real momentum, you put in the reps until you get results. The outcome would be you've built a system that brings leads daily, you book consistent calls, you start seeing real money come in, and you are on your way to 5 figures a month. And here is the framework, the system that works. And this is how you scale to 5 figures a month. First step is lead research and targeting. You use tools like Apollo or Instantly to extract the leads. Filter based on real buying signals like agency size, hiring, and the tech stack. Segment by niche. Don't mix e-com leads with SaaS. This is an example. The second step is personalized outreach at scale. AI written intros based on their business and pain points. Use email and LinkedIn as a combo to hit them from multiple angles. Automate sending, but use manual style copy since it feels human. The third step, which is lead scoring and smart follow ups. Use tools to mark opens, clicks, and replies. Score leads, which are hot, warm, or even cold. You build automatic follow ups that escalate value, testimonials, and case studies. Step 4, which is the booking and closing. Direct to booking links with pre call info. Use qualifying questions to filter time wasters. You show proof and close with a clear offer or a value return on investment. You track everything from the sent to replies to the booked and the closed. And because of this system that you've built, the outcome would be what the system gives you is a predictable pipeline. You know how many messages and you know how many calls you've got. You've got 10 to 20 qualified leads per week which are ready to talk business. You've got less stress and more clarity. You wake up to leads. You've got real growth. You're hitting 5 figures a month, which becomes normal. You've got also more time to focus on client delivery and not client chasing.